The respondents oblique plaintiffs manufactures and sells whiskey under the registered trademark Diplomat as its brand. Stop. Its label and logo are also registered with the registrar under the Trade and Merchandise Market Act 1958. Since 1962, stop. The trial court observed that use of logo and print of similar size and of word diplomat on label by the defendants with printed figure of human being inside make the label of the defendant's product deceptively similar to that of the plaintiffs, and these factors are enough to grant the relief of temporary injunction in favor of the plaintiffs as a prima facie case is made out. Stop. Stanza. The defendants have started distilling whiskey and labeling it under the name and style of Coke's Diplomat Whiskey. Their trade name and label are not registered with the registrar. Stop. The defendants oblique appellants claim to have moved the registrar for registration of the same under the Trade and Merchandise Act. Stop. According to the plaintiffs, the label and logo of the defendant's whiskey bottle is deceptively similar to that of plaintiff's whiskey bottle. Stop. The contention of the defendants, however, did not find favor with the learned trial judge, and he passed the impugned prohibiting order. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellants oblique defendants had advanced the same arguments before this court also. Stop. It is worth noticing that it was far back as 6th October 1962 that trademark number 211697 was registered in the name of McDowell and Corporation Limited, Madras 1, in respect of wine, spirit, liquor and whiskey as diplomat by the registrar of trademarks. Stop. It has been renewed from time to time. Stop. A copy of the certificate of registration is on record as Annexure E. Stop. Stanza. A comparison of two labels on the two products clearly shows that the color scheme of the labels on the defendants is similar to that of the label of the plaintiff's product. Stop. It further indicates that the pictorial effect is the same as the word diplomat in both labels is used in red color with the figure of a young Englishman below it, and below that figure the word whiskey is used in the plaintiff's label, but premium whiskey in defendant's label on the same colors scheme as that of the plaintiff's. Stop. It does become clear that the pictorial impression conveyed from the defendant's product labels will be the same as that of the plaintiff's product label on the bottles. Stop. Of course, if one looks for such minute details as the use of the word premier together with the word MC Dowell or the use of the word Coke's and whether there is a logo above the word Coke in the defendant's bottle and or the name of the distillery, then certainly the distinction will appear stop. But similar features are striking to any innocent eye, and one who does not understand the difference in the details of names is likely to be misled stop. This is prima facie shown stop over.